Hey everyone, tonight is late programming night and you're looking at something kind of weird. This is the new video text chat that I am possibly going to be using for the live Lego builds. As you can see, there's no guest cams. If you have seen some of the early videos about the text chat with the guest spots, this is just a broadcaster mode and it's really cool looking. The first thing is, of course, this is obviously in the other room. You got your caption right here. Here's your text box entry. Some of the other functions. User list is right here, and of course the text chat and room stats. So let's take a gamble here. And the first thing is, you're going to see a lot of things are missing, like the light bulb here for this. You can see the graphics are messed up. So I am still working on this thing as we speak. But this is a light model, so if you're having a hard time seeing the dark, you can flip it around. I like the dark theme better, but it's mostly for that. Of course, here's my user menu here. As you can see, nothing's lit up. Okay, I haven't even put these graphics in yet. Here's the admin. Of course, you can't click on him. I wish I could show you some of the rudimentary functions, but that's the way it is. So I've got this thing set up to where I can change the room caption. And of course I can enter a caption like, "Hi, www. This is something that YouTube does not have, which I think is sad. I'll set the room caption. It takes a few moments. And of course, that link is blue. That means I can click this link righty. And let's see what happens. It should take me to my site. Here it is. It takes me back to the home page, which is cool. So this is going to be something so I can help, advertise only my channel and other things. I can advertise your guys' channels too while I'm live, and I can just add a link in here. And of course, if I overflow the box, like, well, of course it did this. Let me cancel. Let me just highlight all this text. Oh, wait a minute. Let me guess. I can't. I have that disabled. I might maybe make that highlightable, but I'm just going to keep typing in here and I'll show you what happens. This is something I've been working on. I think you guys and gals are going to like it. So, I'm a very horrible speller. And I'll just type, keep typing. The end. With a happy face. And then, this thing here scrolls. So, that was something that was a pain to get working. So now I can add as many links as I want in here. I don't have a limit set. Well, look at all those random letters. I don't think I even spelled the word out of there. Except for the end. That's about it. You also got your bold text. So you can bold your text, italicize, and underline. So you can go, well, let's grab a cool color. Let's grab this aqua blue. I like that. And sans serif. And let's go up to, I don't know, 20. If you have a hard time reading or something. So, hello. Make sure I spelled that right. And of course, it comes out there in the stylish font. This is pretty cool. Of course, I'm the admin, so, well, I'm not on the admin account, or else I could delete these. But as you can see, this right here, obviously, bold italicized font. You have 216 colors, I believe, to choose from. You can choose anything from the color swatch. Google Hangouts and the Google thing doesn't do that. And it's easy to read different color text. You also got 8 font faces. I'm planning on adding about 50 or so that's going to get expanded. For this, you got from 8 point all the way up to 30 point, which is pretty large. I might tone that down to 24. And of course you got this right here, which applies to all text sizes. So if you don't want to see different size of font, you can apply that. Of course this is for the sound. Let's turn up the sound here, and I'll type in some sounds. Well, I don't think you can hear that. Let's turn it up again here. There's a sound. That just mutes it, so if you type... If that gets annoying, I'm going to make that default it off. I might do that. And of course, here's the timestamp, so you can just type in hi. I didn't. Oh, I don't have. Oh, wait a minute. You know what? This box didn't connect over. That's something else I have to fix. Well, that's why I'm testing it out now. But you get a timestamp, and it's not in 24-hour time. Now I got it in 12, so that's even better. And of course, here's the light bulb button. This is supposed to be a light bulb for this theme. But I got everything to work, so you can disable things and buttons will turn out really good. Like, you can see which ones are pressed in and which ones are not. And I'm really happy with this. I hope you guys will be happy with it too. And of course, yeah, I don't have that enabled on here for some odd reason, but it's supposed to go in full screen mode. This is 16.9. The host chat is 4.3. It's for hosting, like multi-video featured, you know, like you got a host player and then you got guest spots like co-host. I may put a host, like a co-host cam here in the future. Not sure, so don't hold your breath on that one. But I think you guys and gals are going to like the new chat room. I think it's going to be cool. But let's put this thing back at Hello World. There's still bugs in here, but pretty much it won't crap out anything, so I'm happy with it. And I should have pointed this at something else. I just throw a webcam up and say, okay, test, and that's the end of the story. But I don't know what other features. There's no smileys in this unit. I decided to disable smileys because this is just basically a host player. And of course the Pokédex. So those two things will not work. So that's one of the things I was trying to do, is make this strictly for live events. The next one I'm going to be designing will have two smaller video screens, maybe two 4.3s, and of course I want to make a debate room. Then there will be the conference room, which will have up like to 10 or 12 cameras. And then after the conference room will just be a basic text chat. So you just have just this box here. It'll just be this. None of this, just this box. Maybe the topic for the box. So, you know, once I get the site actually built where people could make accounts, you can actually change the theme to anything you like. Matter of fact, I'm even going to make it where there'll be a third theme in here. Instead of having dark, you'll have this theme, and then when you click the light bulb, you can actually have your own designer theme. But I don't know if I'm ever going to do that. I think I might just maybe leave this just for my site and change things up a bit. But yeah, I mean, if you want to see more of these chat room updates and what I'm doing, or you want to even see a tutorial or something on how I did it, I will see if I can do my best to get a better screen capture software and show you. You know, that's the best I can do. Anyways, guys and gals, I hope you enjoyed the new soon-to-be live LEGO chat, and it's a lot better at sending messages than the current layout that YouTube has. I don't like it. And there is no advertisements on here. I don't want to incorporate that into this, so this is it. This is what it's going to look like. And, you know, it's plain and boring. There's no graphics. There's no boxes down here. I don't have no banner. This is supposed to be actually on the home page. So, we'll see how this goes. And I'm going to get off here for the night and go to bed. And I still got a lot of comments to answer. So I'm going to do that while I'm trying to doze off. So I wish everyone a great night, and I'm hoping to get this done by the end of the month. So by September, I will have a new home. Instead of using Hangouts, I can actually sit here and play some music in the background, and we all can have a great time. Also, one more thing is, since there's no guest video on here, I might maybe drop the age limit down on this to 16. There's no guest spots at all, alright? This will just be a public chat, no private or anything. So, anyways, I'm going to get going and get this video processed and sent up as quickly as I can so you guys and gals can enjoy it. And give me your input on what you think. Alright, it's a homebrew project. Let's see how well the Lego nerd gets on this. And hence the word nerd, because, well, I'm a nerd, but yeah. Anyways, I gotta get off here, go to bed, and then hopefully tomorrow I get up at a reasonable hour, not at 1 o'clock p.m. Good night, everyone, and take care.